Chef Dawg. We're doing one of my favorite brands out there. It's Kevin's. But this is Kevin's Lemongrass chicken. Real simple to make. It's running right now about 15 bucks at Costco, 6.5 servings. We'll see if that's the case. So we've got 2 pouches of chicken, and then you got the sauce to put over the top of them. So it says, you want to break the chicken up. It says keep refrigerated. It does come fully cooked. It has 6 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, and 23 grams of protein. Heat skillet over medium high for 1 minute and add 1 tablespoon of preferred cooking oil. So we're gonna use some olive oil. Drain the broth though. You don't wanna have all this broth. We'll put this in the skillet and then we pour this over the top of it. Put a little bit of my olive oil in there. Cut it, and then I'm gonna actually drain the juice while I break it up as well. I'm actually even gonna squeeze it. I put both packets in there. Pretty big chicken chunks. Actually, that fills up that whole skillet. I don't see any fat or stuff off of them either. It looks like they cleaned them pretty well. I'm gonna up this a little bit more to a medium high. I'll just keep stirring it about 2 minutes. And what we wanna do is just get it till the chicken's lightly brown. Now, since the instructions say up to 2 minutes, I'm gonna assume that they meant up to 2 minutes per packet. So I'm thinking you definitely want to be able to do this for at least 4 minutes. Cooking it and stirring it, because right now I've been doing it for definitely more than a couple minutes. It's not browning yet. It's definitely very warm to the touch. So I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna be cooking this longer than 4 minutes. If you do have juice, dump it out. So when I'm ready to pour that on, I'm gonna get rid of the excess juice here at the bottom as well. And I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more. So if I were to cook this again, I'd do more like a medium high. I'm gonna drop it down to a medium now, and I'm gonna put the sauce on. I don't have any leftover juice at the bottom like it said. I burn all that out. Put it on here, and then I'm gonna stir it and coat everything in it. This probably took us, what, 10 minutes? This would be really good over the top of like rice or something. Kind of almost smells a little curry-ish. You can taste, there's a lot of flavor in that. Really good chicken. And the seasoning, I don't know how to explain it, but I would say it reminds me of Indian food, kind of. Now with it being pre-cooked, also the chicken, it's not as tender as I would hope it would be.
You made me nervous. I picked this one out. Indian food, don't like.
It's not supposed to be Indian food, but it's got a good spice. I mean, there's...
Yeah, chicken's not tender. Yeah, I'm not crazy about it. I mean, I'll eat it, but me personally, I'm not crazy about it. It is spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy and has a ton of flavor.
Yeah.
Which I don't mind. Would you buy this again or what?
No, I wouldn't buy it again. Too flavorful for me.
Now again, if you don't, yeah, a lot of flavor, which most people like. I don't mind it. It's not as good as I thought it was gonna be. And it does remind me of Indian food. I like it, I'd eat it. It wouldn't hurt my feelings to eat it. It wouldn't hurt my feelings if I ate this in a restaurant either. I think it's good, but for 15 bucks, you get quite a bit of chicken.
Oh,
here you go, $15. That's what we got. I actually think that the majority of people out there, if you like flavor in that, you'll like it.
You'll like it.
You'll like it.
Don't listen to me.
I'm gonna give it like a 6.7. What are you gonna give it?
4.
All right, hey, well, my son has a lot of editing to do. We don't want to lose him, right? Thanks again for watching Chef Dawg. Remember, if you like Costco food, that's what we do here. Thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Have a good one, bye.